really is a game changer when you have a community that's really ready to embrace film production and all that it brings.
It's about having a vision, right? You have to be forward thinking. Think about how we can be better, how we can evolve. Partnerships is really about relationships. For Assembly Atlanta to be where it is and so close to Dunwoody, when we talk about filmmakers and production crew, when they come, we want them to know Dunwoody is here. 12 minutes from set to bed.
We're very fortunate to have a huge crew base here in Atlanta, but there's also a lot of people that have to come to the city to work that have never been here before. So to have the amenities that Dunwoody offers, to have the hotels close by, to have restaurants, to have entertainment, it's extremely important because it makes this property more enticing for them to come to because of the proximity.
One of the great things that we've had as we have gone through this entire process of building is working with Discover Dunwoody. As an organization across the board, Dunwoody has been fantastic.
They have a genuine interest in this business, and they've been active and they've been proactive and talking to people within the industry and to find out what they need when they go to shoot on location, when they're looking for a hotel.
We want to make their jobs easy. What is it that you need? What is it that we can do to help take something off your plate that we can do? We understand, we are destination experts. We know what it takes to make things happen in Dunwoody.
I honestly can't think of another word other than amazing. When you need something, they give it to you. They ask questions, they actually worry and care about what it is that you need. And for me, that makes a difference.
We have a team that's been deployed from the assets of what we have in Dunwoody, whether it's locations for filming, for housing, for dining, shopping. I can't say enough about the shopping opportunity.
Discover Dunwoody and Assembly Atlanta, I think, really align in providing all the clients that are coming into our site with the same high-end experience when it comes to all of the type of services that we provide.
The team at Discover Dunwoody has been one of the most professional, efficient teams that I've ever had the opportunity to work with.
Ray and his team are all in on film. They recognize the opportunity that this studio brought to their community, and they're dedicated to being responsive. They're dedicated to what it needs to happen to make sure that the production is able to operate quickly, efficiently, and really enjoy their time there.